Okay, so I'm going to put the socket and cheater bar on this thing, see if I can break this bolt timing cover, bolt timing adjuster cover bolt, whatever you want to call it. See if it'll break free. I mean, I guarantee it hadn't been taken out of there since the day it was put in, because it's just so doggone easy to check the timing on the other side. But let's see what it does for a living, because I'm curious. Now I'm going to block your view here, so I will come over here and see if I can do this. If you hear loud screaming, you'll know something bad happened. Now, if you put it here like this, you're lifting up on the bike. But if you put it like this over here, you're pressing down on the bike. So I'm going to do that. Let's see what happens here. What the heck? It's not tight. It wasn't even tight. It's just, I'll be darned. It wasn't tight. And no oil's flowing out. And let's take a look inside. All right, now here's the plug, and I don't know what that means. Well, let's go down and take a look inside the hole and see what we see. Boy, I came loaded for bear with that, with the socket. I'm really surprised. Let's see. Get in here and try to zoom. Let's see. You're getting as good a view as I am, believe me. All right. Let's get a couple of Triumph style. Okay, these are the two that I have, different threads for different ears. This guy appears to be a very coarse thread, so we'll try this one first. All right, well, it goes in there. That's set to full advance, and I'm sure it's in that slot in there. Let's see if it's also a top dead center tool. How to do this so that I can do both sides. I'm gonna go over there and turn the engine slightly with a wrench. I know it's over there somewhere. Okay, the engine is locked. It's in. I can't turn it at all, so it's on top dead center and it's in the slot, so it's locked. Now, if I keep coming around here, this is advanced, so I should get to top dead center pretty soon. I'll just go past slightly. Okay, now it's out of the slot, and right about here, give or take. Oh, it just snapped in. Okay, so this is top dead center. So, good. So this guy can apparently be used for both top dead center setting the valves and full advanced for setting the timing. How about them apples? Kind of cool. Let's see if I can get it out. Hang on. I'm not even a fool trying to find the right size. 5 inches, I think. It went in there so easy. All right, hang on. Okay, let's take a look in there. And, well, how interesting. It's a really big notch. I'm gonna put this back in here and see once it's in, whether or not I can turn the engine any at all, or if it just fell into a natural gap there. Oh, come on. I know you're there somewhere. There it is. Yeah, it stops there, but it keeps going. So it may not be a real top dead center. It just, okay. All right, I cannot guarantee that this stops at top dead center, because basically what it did is it just fell off the counterbalance on the bottom of the crankshaft. So I wouldn't trust it. And I'm not going to pull the plugs and check top dead center again either. So I'm going to put this thing back together. Well, I'm going to clean this up, shiny it up some, and put it back together. Okay, good enough. We're done.